Hi guys, I just finished making videos now and I saw this post. You know the teachers and the kids that are still in the forest. They made a video. Let's watch what they have to say.
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ à ń bẹ̀ yín ni
Ah, look at the
Ọlọ́run
little
la fi
baby.
bẹ̀ yín, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú wa. Eléyìí ti pọ̀ jù, ẹ dákun, nínú òjò nínú ẹ̀rùn, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú fún wa. Àtọmọ kékeré àtàgbàlagbà ibì kan náà la
Hi.
wà, ẹ dákun ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣàánú fún wa.
Gosh, she's shivering.
Òní
We
ló
are
ti pé ọjọ́
cold.
13 tá a ti lọ, ẹ dákun ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n tú wa sílẹ̀. A fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ bá wọn jà rárá rárá, ẹ dákun ẹ má bá wọn jà. Ẹ ṣàánú wa,
Hi.
tí wọ́n á béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fi fún wọn, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú wa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ni, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú fún wa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
We are pleading on to our governor, Engineer Seyi Abiodun Makinde. Please help us negotiate with these people. Whatever they want, please give unto them. Please help us save our life. Please, we are all here, all we the teachers and the children. Please, we need your help. President Tinubu, please negotiate with these puppies. These people, please help us. Whatever they want, please give to them. Please help us save our life. Today again is Children's Day. About 14 days now, we are here in the bush. Please
2
help
weeks.
us. Help
2
us.
weeks.
We are calling unto the Obas. Obas, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú wa, ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba, ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa dá sí i. Ẹ ṣàánú wa, ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ẹ ṣàánú wa. Ẹ dákun ẹ bá báwọn ìjọba wa sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ dákun gbogbo tí wọ́n bá fẹ́, ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa ṣe fún wọn kí wọ́n má bàa pa wá dànù. Ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú wa, gbogbo tí wọ́n bá béèrè, ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa ṣe fún wọn. Ẹ bá wa ṣe fún wọn. Kẹ́mi wá bọ́ ṣòfò.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àánú la béèrè fún. Please be merciful to us. Ẹ ṣàánú fún wa, please. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please, please.
How did we get here? How? How? I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Tinubu, if you don't know what to do, just step down. You've tried. If you can't do this, just step down. Just step down. Step down. I don't know how you'll be ruling a country. Like, majority of the people you're ruling, they are not happy with what you're doing. Where exactly are you ruling? What exactly is going on? These are our teachers, leaders of tomorrow. They are still there. And you have nothing to say. First lady, you know they talk. During patient, they learn her own voice. Now, what happened to your own voice? This is just too much. Because it's not us. We can't really feel the pain. We can't even really feel the pain of their loved ones at home. Come on now. Governor for you, what are you waiting for? What are you guys waiting for? What are you people waiting for? I'm just sick and tired of this country. Honestly, I'm sick and tired of this country. Nabi. No way. No. No. I don't know if you guys have seen the picture of the kids. I don't know if you guys have seen the condition of those kids.